masaya. Maputi ang puso sa mga mahihirap, palaging nagsusumikap. Siya si Quezon Vlogs, may mabuting hangarin para sa mahihirap.
Support po natin mga kalingap, Quezon Vlogs. Please like, share, and subscribe to his channel. Maraming salamat po and God bless po sa inyo. Thank you very much.
5, 4, 3, 2, and action po! TikTok!
Ayaw na nga ng tiba mo. Alpi, gutom na sa Justin, no? Ano? Ay po. Doon.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for birthday girl Rachel May. Let's time. As a person who has been working in the event industry, I met a lot of beautiful people in the industry. One, of course, is my favorite, Mr. Val Matubang, whose son, Mr. Rob Matubang, is here honoring us for tonight. Thanks, Rob, and your beautiful family. They are the only people I know in the world of vlogging. But then again, fortunately, when these people have blessed our dearest birthday girl for tonight, I come to realize that it's very important for all of us to at least be authentic, be original, and to express ourselves freely at the same time. And that's exactly who and what Rachel is all about this time. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Marion Cartel, and my greatest honors and pleasure of introducing to everybody the beautiful family of our Rachel May, our dearest Langga. Please welcome to our dearest paternal grandmother. Would you please welcome in a round of applause for Mrs. Maria Nazareno. Let's give her a big hand. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give our grandmother, Mrs. Maria Nazareno, a big hand. Please welcome to our maternal grandmother, Mrs. Susan Arriba. Let's give her a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for our dearest grandma. Thank you. And joining us tonight, please welcome Mr. Benji and Mrs. Maribel Bustamante. hand for Mr. Ardel Tito Donat Morales. Let's give him a round of applause. Joining our dearest Tito Donat are his children. Please welcome Mr. Nate Simon Morales.
Sorry po.
We have his beautiful daughter, Miss Natalie Sia Morales.
Ganda natin na din una.
Ang cute niya. Ngayon ko lang yan nakita.
Extending helpful hands, embracing our dearest Rachel May are these two beautiful individuals. Please welcome in a big hand for Miss Jenny Sparse and Miss Annabelle Aguilar. Let's give them a round of applause. All the way from Bukidnon, ladies and gentlemen, the aunt of our dearest Rachel May, Miss Mary Joy Arriba. Let's give her a round of applause.
Ang pinsan po niya yan.
Tita.
Ah! Kapatid ng mama niya. Kapatid ng mama niya.
Kapatid ng mama niya.
Pati ikaw.
Ayan po.
Okay.
Tito niya, tito.
To the equally beautiful uncle, Mr. Maxine Arriba.
Magaganda po talaga ang layan.
Pero sa
Ladies and
Rachel, mukha siya ni Papa
our
niya.
dearest Rachel May
Ate po.
has been sharing the love of her
Ito mukha ni
parents
Mama niya yung
together with
pangalawa.
her siblings.
You guys.
Carbon
My
copy.
pleasure of introducing to everybody the sister, Miss Kathleen Althea Morales. Let's give her a round of applause.
Itong batang malambing.
Ang laki na!
Napakalambing na bata niya.
Malaki na oh!
The brother, Mr. Ian Chris Morales. And to the equally beautiful sister, Miss Shirley K. Morales.
Ito maganda rin.
Opo, maganda rin yan.
And here we go for Miss Hazel Ann Morales, the equally beautiful sister of our Rachel May.
Ito ang kamukha ng mama. Ano? Yung hawig ba kaya ng mama?
Opo, ito talaga. Kamukha ng mama.
Folks, as I would love for everybody to meet the man who's also celebrating his 18th birthday, being the father of our dearest Rachel May, please welcome in a big hand for our father, Mr. Rayson Morales. A round of applause. Everyone to please give honor and respect to our dearest mom. A big hand for our mother. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request everyone to please give the beautiful family of our dearest Langga the biggest round of applause. Congratulations, everyone. This is a night of triumph, a night of success. We may all be seated first. Thank you. And for the one and the only Rachel May, our dearest Langga. A big hand. receiving and ceremonies for dearest Rachel May, so that she would always have this confidence that whatever happens, for raising a son like Ruel. Maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the family of your Dodong. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you. And God bless everybody. Thank you so much. We do not have our families. What else do we have? We have our dearest family. Blanca has her family, and she has been blessed. Please stay. Please stay, everyone. Please stay. And who would have the next special dance? Please welcome his brother, Mr. Ian Chris Morales. Please welcome Mr. Aaron Atienza. A big hand.
Si Puti.
Palakpakan. Rachel this time is our next one. A big hand for Mr. Edo Alzola. Ladies and gentlemen, to join our birthday girl on the dance floor, please welcome Mr. Justin Aguirre. Folks, it wouldn't hurt us if you will give our gentleman and our debutant a round of applause. Palakpakan po. And while the moment is beautiful, let us share it with our next gentleman. A big hand for Mr. John Ray Espanol. To have the honors of dancing next with our dearest Rachel, please welcome Mr. Arjon Alicando. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen, for our next special one, please welcome Mr. Dan Matuba. Let's give him a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, to the next one, to this guy, who actually may have made this thing happen for our dearest Rachel, please welcome and a round of applause for Mr. Ram. A big hand for our dearest one, Dodong, Mr. Roel Matubang. Let's give them a Folks, as this moment is surreal for everybody, may I of course have everyone's attention as I present to you once again on the dance floor, alone, beautiful, with lots of love, together with Mr. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Lonito Monserrate, our dearest Kalingap Tata, maraming salamat. We love you, sir, for making it extra beautiful for our Rachel. Now, gentlemen, thank you for actually treating our Rachel with that. May we request our Rachel to join our gentlemen on the floor, where you are going to have your photos taken together with her. Thank you so much.
Ano po niya, kamusta?
Okay lang. Anong short message mo kay Langga Rachel sa kanyang birthday?
Talangga?
Oo.
Sabi na ako sa class ko, kuya.
Ay, grabe.
Kaya ang nahiling ako sa kanya.
Mhm.
Ay, wish ako sa kanya. Ang gusto ko sa kanya,
At sana humaga ang goal niya, stay
Yeah.
healthy, stay humble, tapos wag siyang makakalimutan sa Diyos.
Salamat, Arjun. Salamat.
Tulong.
Ginawa yun, nag-email tayo. Nag natin, may pare, at ikaw ay nakaalam. Kaya, para sa mga ay, para sa at dito, alam ko ng mga kapatid mo. Gagawin na kaya natin. Sama tayo sa siyahan, lulutulan, iyakan. Siyempre, yan. Ang lahat ay talaga marunong. Thank you so much sa sinatagpuan ko sa pabalik. Nag-decide ko sa sinatagpuan. Ito, ikaw sa siguro ko. Eh, wala na akong palangapin ba? Wala nga namin, di ba? Saga, I have a question. Alicia Morales, will you be my girlfriend?
Nakakayak naman yan.
Kuya Toto!
Ito yung naisip ko na ibibigay ko sa'yo. Alam na mahalaga namin ito. Basta, ibigay ko naman yung soda sa akin. Ingatan kita na makakita. Tulad ng anak ko. Tulad ng paano makanin yung pamilya ko. Alam mo yun, paano sa pamilya. Kaya, sama na naman. First time nakita tayo. Dito sa natin ay ama ako. Iba tayo.
Tayo kuya.
Kapag genuine ang feelings ko doon, walang halong pagkukunwari, walang halong pretending. Basta totoo yung feelings ko. I love you. More than yesterday. And I will always love you until tomorrow and forever.
Forma ka.
Ilawan para makita. Ilawan mo. Pinananay, Grabe ang pawis ni Dudong. Oh. Sulit. Dito eh, matayin sa kubo mamaya.
I love you, Langga!
Sa kasi Vincent Calyada, salamat! Vincent, salamat! Kahit malayo, masaya kami uuwi. Magkakatulog na. Ulit-ulit namin, no? Babalik kaming masaya.
Mga kalingap, maraming salamat sa inyong panunood. Please subscribe Kaison Vlog YouTube channel. Sa inyong panunood, huwag kalimutan na huwag i-skip ang mga ads dahil sa simpleng panunood at hindi pag-skip ng mga ads, kayo po ay nakakatulong na rin sa aming mga programa. Kaison Vlog YouTube para maging updated sa mga latest upload, i-click ang notification bell at i-subscribe Kaison Vlog YouTube channel.